they've also got a back warehouse for the extremely large things that you can't get. So like you'll give a bit of paper to a staff member, and then they will get everything out from the back for you, and then they'll like meet you after you pay for it. Yeah, warehouse. There's also some things, for example, like if you were to buy a bed, no, not a bed, I've really used that example. If you were to buy a sofa, what you'll find is like there'll be a bit of it here, and then a bit of it here, or there'll be a bit of it here, and then a bit of it over there. And there's some bits that are like they actually have two parts to them. So if you're buying one bed, why do I keep using beds? Anyway, if you're buying one thing, and on your sheet it says like there's 3 items to get, you've got to be careful because this might only count as one of the items. It's like Raiders of the Lost Ark. I do love IKEA. It's a great place to just come and walk around. Small land. I think that's the kids zone. So there's 2 services that they also offer. They do offer assembly and home delivery. I think for both of them though, like you have to come and buy the stuff first. So you come, you buy it here, and then you take it to the delivery section. I know the delivery section you do. Yeah, hot dog for 80 yen. Ice cream for 50 yen. But home delivery I've never actually had because I'm pretty good. The thing I like about it as well with IKEA, because it's all kind of the same. Like if you get used to one, you're pretty much used to them all. Like the general layout is always going to be the same. Like at the very end, go to the right, sometimes the left, but there's the outlet section. And this is where like it's no returns. And these are mainly stuff that were used in the displays and that. But like you can get this panel here for 400 yen. If you can think of a good use for it, maybe a tabletop or a table protector or something like that. And then they also have the full stuff as well, like this sofa, which isn't 700, that's the cushion. Yeah, this is probably a no longer in season item. If you want a chair, oh, that's squishy. Let me try this chair. It's alright. It's a rather comfortable chair. But I don't have room for a chair. Oh, I'm looking around, seeing all lovely little things, and I think, I'd like that. And then reality kicks in and be like, wait, where would you put it? There's nowhere to put it. Alright, so this is the outlet section, and here's the last section that they can get you with any add-ons. And there's lots of them here, even the batteries. Alright, now we're going to cut through to the Swedish market next.少し仕事してた。仕事に行く？今行くなら気をつけて見てくれてありがとう。してたならいい。So there's lots of Swedish foods and screaming children. So you can get like your Swedish beers and stuff. Lots of biscuits, pick and mix. Mix nuts. あ、いけない。はい、ちょっと待って。銃が触ったものはすべて買わないといけない。あー、やばい。私はそんなに金持ちではない。Lots of other foods as well, like frozen foods as well. Oh, these are good. これは本当に美味しい。でも、これは持って帰ることができる。It's a dime cake. Jeez, that looks good. But I can't. I won't be able to get it home. Not because I'll eat it, but because it'll defrost and melt. 買って買うことができないよ。So this is the Swedish shop. They've actually got most Ikeas have like tiny dimes. これ高い弁があるんじゃないか。IKEA でないと思う。
Ovaj može.
So we have jams and stuff. Yeah, they used to have tiny dime bars. Like, not in this IKEA. Well, I don't know because I've not been to this IKEA before, but in other IKEAs that I've been to. And just over there is where you'll get your hot dogs. But damn, that queue is massive. So if you actually have a look over there, things you got ice cream for 50 yen, frozen fruit yogurt 180, fried chicken for 150, cinnamon roll for 90 yen, a hot dog drink bar set, so you can actually get drinks, or just the drinks for 70 yen, just the hot dog for 80 yen. So if you get the two, you save 20 yen, which is piss all. And the drink is all you can drink. Hot dog. Hayaku mita. I am going to buy a hot dog because I like them. And I might get the set just so I can have a drink as well because I'm a little bit thirsty, somewhat parched. So bear with me. There. Out. Oh, they've got other stuff on here as well. Like a French dog set. And that one gets the whole works on. And just resting my phone on my arm whilst I get some money out of my wallet. So that I can get a hot dog and drink bar set. I'll take the change. Yeah, there you go. So we've got the hot dog set. So I get a hot dog and I get a cup. So I get access to that drink bar. I can't remember what they've got. And actually I think it might be different to what I'm used to anyway. 30個だ。Come on. So that's the hot dog. And I come straight on over here to the ketchup and mustard. See the ketchup and your mustard. Alright, bear with me. I need 2 hands for this. So I'm only going to get ketchup. Just going to spin it around. Hold Got the cup. There we go. So we've got a hot dog. I don't really like mustard, so that's why I've not put mustard on. And I've got my cup. And over there is the drink bar.